Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I was showing you how I make this very simple and pretty quick lentil soup. So for the soup I used canned lentils, water, onions, carrot, bouillon cubes, coconut oil and leek. Cut the leek, carrots and onions. Heat coconut oil over medium heat and cook the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the leek and cook it with the onions for about 2 additional minutes. Now add a bouillon cube. To speed up the process, I use boiled water. Then add the carrots and cook it for another 2 minutes. Now add the lentils and cook it until the veggies are as tender as you like them. For a delicious hearty bean soup recipe, check out this video, and for a spicy tomato chicken soup, check out this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.